This is Frankie McDowell, my own TV station live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Major snowstorm is headed towards Newfoundland on Friday, January the 23rd, 2015. It's going to bring up to 30 plus centimeters of snow, especially in Gander Newfoundland. It's going to bring 20 plus centimeters of snow in St. John's, Newfoundland. That's going to bring very strong winds with a lot of snow in Newfoundland, especially in central Newfoundland, including Grand Falls, Windsor, Newfoundland, and Gander, Newfoundland. There'll be whiteout conditions, zero visibility. It's going to be some blizzard conditions in Newfoundland, especially in central Newfoundland. And the snowstorm will start on Thursday, January the 22nd, 2015, during evening hours in Newfoundland, especially in Gander, Newfoundland, and St. John's, Newfoundland as well. It's going to be a lot of snow. Winds are going to be very strong since the Alberta Clipper will be going into the Atlantic Ocean. That's going to cause a storm to develop off of Cape Hatteras, North Carolina. Then the storm is going to intensify. Then the center of the storm is going to track towards Avalon, Peninsula on Friday, January 23rd, 2015. It's going to bring lots of snow, very strong winds, zero visibility. It's going to be big snow drifts with blowing and drifting snow. Winds will be howling in Newfoundland, especially in St. John's, Newfoundland, and Gander, Newfoundland as well. People in Newfoundland, be prepared. Have your winter boots ready, have your winter jackets ready, hats and gloves and scarf and ski pants is ready. Order your pizzas and order your Chinese food. Buy cases of Pepsi, buy cases of Coke. Do your grocery shopping. Don't wait till last minute. Do it right now. Have your iPads charged. Have your iPods charged. Have your cell phones charged. Have your laptops charged. Have your tablets charged. Have your 3G, 4G ready. When you drive the car, take your time, drive the car. Slow down so you don't get in a car accident. And it's going to be blizzard conditions in Gander, Newfoundland. During blizzard, don't go outside since it's going to be major snowstorm. Make sure to have your shovels ready, snow scoops ready, snow plows ready, salt trucks ready, and snow scoops ready as well. Because it's going to be a major snowstorm in Newfoundland, especially in central Newfoundland and St. John's, Newfoundland as well. Trans-Canada Highway will be snow covered. It's going to be zero visibility, blowing and drifting snow in province in Newfoundland. It's going to be a blizzard conditions as well. If you have anybody living in Newfoundland, be prepared for a major snowstorm on Friday, January 22nd, 2015. And a major snowstorm will start on Thursday, January 22nd, 2015. And a major snowstorm will continue on to Friday, January 23rd, 2015. Best luck, yeah. People in Newfoundland, be prepared for a major snowstorm on Friday, January 23rd, 2015. Take care, stay safe. Don't get caught in a major snowstorm. Stay warm, be safe.